Hi, my name is Ekanem Orok and welcome to the Fundamentals of Fashion Design. This course is divided into 13 sections. In section 1, you will learn the basics of fashion design, careers in fashion, fashion and style, garment shapes, body types, fashion cycle, elements of fashion, principles of fashion, and the process of starting a clothing line. In section 2, you will learn the basics of fashion style. In section 3, you will learn the basics of fabrics and textile. In section 4, you will learn the basics of fashion drawing, steps in fashion illustration, fashion sketch, and technical drawing. In section 5, you will learn the basics of pattern making, different kinds of pattern blocks, pattern anatomy, garment anatomy, pattern symbols, and the basic garment blocks construction. In section 6, you'll learn the basics of pattern grading, grading direction, grading table, and developing pattern grading rules. In section 7, you will learn the basics of sewing, hand stitches, machine stitches, the basics of sewing machine, the basics of ironing, fabrics, textile, and garment prototype sewing. In section 8, you'll learn about the basics of dripping, types of fabric dripping, techniques of dripping, blocking fabrics for dripping, finding grain lines on fabrics, dripping the 3 grain lines, dripping basic blocks on the mannequin, tracing, and chewing the basic garments. In section 9, you'll learn about fashion markets, fashion market research, fashion market sector, identifying and defining your target customers. In section 10, you'll learn about fashion accessories, introduction to footwear, bags, hats, and jewelries. In section 11, you'll learn about fashion business, types of business, financing a business, the business plan, business insurance, marketing a clothing line, and promoting a clothing line. In section 12, you learn about fashion manufacturing sectors, the clothing sector, and the accessories sectors. In section 13, you learn how to plan a fashion collection, creating a mood board, color story, collection range plan, preparing a fashion collection, and a collection presentation using Canva app. Whether you're a complete beginner or you simply want to upgrade your fashion design knowledge, the aim of this course is to guide you on the professional techniques in fashion design. So, see you in class.